السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أعزائي طلبة وطالبات الصف الثالث الإعدادي. Dear viewers, third prep school, how are you today? I hope you are very well. Today I'm gonna explain some general notes on reading and listening. In this tutorial, we are trying to differentiate between different vocabulary which have special meanings. The first word with us is species. The first word with us is species. What is the meaning of a species? A species is a word that means نوع or فصيلة. When we are talking about animals, there are many different types and kinds of animals. If you talk about animals and different kinds, we use the word species. This is a very, very important thing that you should understand. For example, if you notice with me this sentence, we say that there are so many species of rabbits. There are many species of rabbits. What is the meaning of a species? A species here means kinds, types, أنواع. Okay, and this is a very important thing that you should consider while talking about the word species. Okay, so let's now move on to number 2. We have two expressions: endanger. What is the meaning of endanger? Endanger means في خطر. Endanger. But lions are in danger. إن الأسود في خطر الانقراض, of dying out. You notice that if we use danger, we have the preposition in. So pay attention to this. Again, endanger is a verb. The word endanger is a verb. How can we use a verb? ازاي بنقدر نستخدم الفيرب؟ طبعا احنا عارفين ان الفيرب بيبقى هو تاني عنصر في الجملة. The sentence has a subject, a verb, and complement. So where can we use a verb? It is the second word. Pollution endangers life on earth. Again, let's move on to number 2. We have two words to differentiate: endanger and endanger. Both words are similar in pronunciation. الكلمتين متطابقتين في النطق. Endanger. But there is a little difference. Endanger, the first word, they are two words. The first are two words. In danger. And danger is a noun. And this is a very important thing. You should notice that danger is a noun. But the second word, endanger, is one word and is used as a verb. It is used as a verb. So let us give an example and read through it. Lions are in danger of dying out. الأسود في خطر الانقراض. The meaning of dying out is خطر الانقراض. But when we use endanger, the second word, as we said, is a verb. And we knew that any sentence begins with a subject, a verb, and a complement. So pollution is subject, endanger is a verb, life on earth is a complement. So if we have to differentiate between the two words, we say that there is some similarity between them. There's some similarity. Danger is a noun and danger is a verb.